Okay guys, today this is for the people that don't know how to flare brake lines. If you do, great. This would be an idea of how to start and learn and get some practice. This is a Blue Point set that I picked up. It's going to be part number TF528D, double flaring toolkit. If you ever opened up your grandpa's toolbox or a buddy's toolbox and wondered what all this is, this is what it's used for: flare brake lines. Now you can buy lengths of brake line, whatever size you need, and it already comes with the fittings on them. Or you can make your own if you have the tool. You can buy it by the 25-foot spool. So let's get started. Okay, first in the kit we have a pipe cutter, and I just got a scrap piece of 1/4 inch brake line. We'll cut us a little piece. Practice with. Tighten it up until it gets snug, and then you'll just turn it around it, keeping pressure on the knob. Just turn it a little bit, twist it. So we're going to go ahead and put a flare on that. Now before you put the flare on it, you want to make sure you put your fittings on it. So we're going to go ahead and slide that one on. And that's how it'll end up once we're done, except it'll be flared. You'll take this tool, and since we're working with 1/4 inch, you'll find your size, you'll stick it in there, just like that. Now you see how much it's sticking out. What you want to do is look over here and find the size that you're using. We're using 1/4 inch, so we'll pick the 1/4 inch. And what you want to do is you want the pipe to stick out to the thickness of that. See, so we still have a ways that you want to come down. Now they're even. That's where you want it. So what you want to do is, this side has a beveled side, and this side has a flat side. You want the beveled side with all the sizes. And we'll lock her down. We'll go ahead and insert the tool. And what you want to do is you want to compress this down flush to the tool. Okay, this is what you'll use. You slide this on. Until it's nice and snug, and then you'll just crank it down until it's flush. You don't have to be super tight, just where it bottoms out. And you'll back it off. And that's what it'll look like. And then you'll take it, stick it in the hole, and you'll complete your double flare. And loosen it up. Once that's done, that's what it should look like. Then you will loosen up our screws. And this is what you end up with. Double flared brake line. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. This is just a test piece, but just to give you an idea. We're going to go ahead and put our fitting on first. Okay, our brake line is in. We're going to insert the 1/4 inch tool. Then we'll insert our screw. And we're going to tighten it down until it's flush with the base. Tighten her down. And we'll loosen her up. And there you have it, guys. Double flared brake lines. You guys, do not use these. Compression fittings aren't the fix. You guys like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.